Your Chevy Silverado temperature gauge is spiking while you sit in traffic. The immediate 5-second solution to save your engine is turning your heater to the maximum heat setting and turning the blower on high. This turns your heater core into a secondary radiator and pulls extreme heat away from the engine block. Once you are safely off the road, you need to address the actual problem. Overheating at idle almost always points to a cooling fan failure. When you are driving at highway speeds, the air rushing through the grill cools the radiator. In stop-and-go traffic, your truck relies completely on the cooling fans to pull that air. Older Silverados use a mechanical fan clutch attached to the water pump. You can test this in 5 seconds with the engine off. Reach in and try to spin the fan blade by hand. If it spins freely with no resistance, the thermal clutch has failed and must be replaced. A good fan clutch will always have firm resistance. Newer Silverados use electric cooling fans. If these are not turning on when the engine gets hot, the fix is often just a blown fuse or a bad relay in the underhood fuse box. Locate the cooling fan relays and swap them with an identical relay from a non-essential system like the horn. If swapping the relay turns the fans back on, just buy a replacement relay at any auto parts store. If the fans still refuse to spin, the fan motors themselves are burnt out. You will need to drop in a complete replacement fan assembly to safely drive in heavy traffic again.